It's time again to ask the attorney. Darrell Minton is here with us today to get some of your legal questions answered. We'll get right to our first question. If a friend got married in 1993 and her husband has vanished, would the friend get in trouble if she remarried without divorcing him?
Yes, the friend could possibly be charged with bigamy for marrying more than one person at a time. And in addition to that, the second marriage is actually considered void. So the best thing to do is get divorced. If the person's truly vanished, you can still get divorced. You just have to try to serve them through conventional means, and if that doesn't work, we could have them served by publication. And they don't answer, they get a default judgment, and you get your divorce. That's certainly the safest way to proceed.
All right, our next question here. My husband and I are getting a divorce. He says he wants a custody order that says he gets our daughter at his convenience, which means Saturday afternoons and Sundays when he's not at work. What if I have to work on the Saturday morning when he's supposed to have her under the standard visitation that's set by the state?
Well, the courts are generally going to enter a standard visitation order. You can get the court if you agree, especially if you agree to modify it to be specific for your needs. If you're having a problem, it sounds like both parties are having a problem on Saturday mornings, but hey, we all face those problems when we're married and both spouses have to work. And that's really not the judge's problem. So the judge is likely to enter a standard visitation order unless you can agree on the terms to modify that in some way. So I think that's what you're going to likely have. Now, once the decree is entered, the parties are always free to deviate from that by agreement.
Okay.
But the judge is going to want you to try to reach that agreement.
Okay. Our last question, can a manufacturer of a product that caused $2,000 in damage to my vehicle force me to fill out a W-9 form to receive money for repairs?
No, I don't think force is the word that we could use here. They can't force you, but I mean, if that's the terms of the settlement that they're offering, they may not pay the money unless you comply by signing whatever documents they ask you to sign. It doesn't mean you're going to have to pay taxes on the money. It just means they're reporting to the government where the money went. So shouldn't be any danger in your signing a W-9. But if you have something else that you need looked over, that you need to sign, or they want you to sign, you need to consult an attorney before you sign that.
All right, some good information, and we get your legal questions answered here every Wednesday. You can contact us on our website or on Facebook.